Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Layne, Missouri on this Galaxy DX95T. Layne, we went through and truckerized this unit for you, peak tune and full alignment. Got her fixed up. Show you what we got here. Power all the way down, 5-watt slug, so about 4 watts, 100-watt slug, 40 watts all the way up. I'm going to go ahead and show you average power swing. Hello, audio. About 62 watts average. We're going to go to peak, a 2x position, like a 200-watt scale. Hello, audio. That's about 165, 170 watts. Alright, Layne, it's ready to go, my friend. We'll get it back to the show me state. From your friend Truck CBSales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.